Hey gang, Poppy here. I'm back out in the shop tonight. I'm gonna cylindrical grind the OD of a socket. You know, chrome vanadium, probably a half-inch drive, maybe 3/8. Depends which one has the nastiest, approximately 1-inch diameter socket for me to grind on. I'll attach some JPEGs and maybe a couple of 20-second clips. No. I'll post the whole thing. Watch it. Enjoy having that content. Because when I install the DROs on my sherline mill, I'm just going to give you the quick picks and the 20-second clips. And I'm going to have blue painter's tape over the bracketry. And if nobody asks me, please Poppy, post it, you'll have to look for it at my Google domain website. Then you'll have to pay. Non-refundable from the intellectual property section of the website. To get in, you gotta say anything I spend is gone, because this is intellectual property I'm looking at. Unless a whole bunch of people tell me, hey, show us how you install the DROs on your sherline mill. But that's not going to happen, because with only 13 subscribers, nah, no one's watching.